TMAC match is so volatile, it could explode into an all-out riot. The force, my God! The referee getting involved now. And he finally gets out of the ring.
Watch it! Oh, nice counter.
Ziggler.
Oh, look out! He's got him hooked.
Now he's back out on the apron. Look at the agility.
Look at this.
And the ref starts to count. 2.
Look at this. Oh, no!
And he finally gets out of the ring.
What a tag team match this has been.
And there seems to be a sinister grin on the face of Jericho as he realizes he's in complete control.
Uh-oh.
Now he's back out on the apron.
Get the crab cinched in. Leaning back. Applying as much pressure as possible.
And he finally gets out of the ring.
This could be huge.
1. And there's the count. 2. Now he's back out on the apron. And he's caught.
Watch out here.
He desperately needs to make a tag here. And he finally gets out of the ring. The referee getting involved now. 2. Chris Jericho has held the World Championship on several occasions. Oh no, he's just obsessed with punishing that back. Now he's back out on the apron. Oh, here we go. Balls of Jericho.
And if you missed last month's WrestleMania, it was a classic. Do yourself a favor and order the replay.
Without a single tag, he's been in firm control of this match since the outset. Jericho.
The champ does it. There's the pin. Look, here's the pony kick out. Jericho's a very religious man, Michael. He worships himself.
And he finally gets out of the ring. Can he score the pin? 1, 2. And he barely avoids the pinfall.
Ow! Hey!
Now he's back out on the apron. And the ref starts to count. And he finally gets out of the ring.
I went to a Fozzy concert the other night. The audience booed so loud you couldn't even hear him suck.
Trying to get under his opponent's skin with this one. Looks away. 1, 2. And Dolph Ziggler quickly kicks out.
Watch it!
And there's the count. 2. A textbook reversal. Can he follow up? 1. Now he's back out on the apron. The referee getting involved now.
He's standing, but he's staggered. Oh, it doesn't get more punishing than that.
Miz. 1. And the ref.
What a move by the champ.
2. And he finally gets out of the ring. And he gets the tag. Over here. 1, 2. Now he's back out on the apron.
This is a grueling championship match. Nobody wants to lose this opportunity.
And he finally gets out of the ring.
And he goes flying down to the concrete. This is like a high school bully that got to cheering. I can't help but root for any opponent that faces him.
Looks like he's bringing in his partner.
Oh, look out!
With the championship at stake, you know these superstars will give everything they have to win here tonight.
Oh, look at this!
And he tags out. Championship on the line. He's tagging in his partner.
Look at this! A fever pitch is here in the WWE Universe.
And there's the count. And now he's back out on the apron.
Oh, no! Uh-oh.
Jericho going to the walls again. The walls of Jericho locked in. The referee getting involved now. These competitors trying to keep their wits about them.
Watch out here!
Oh, back to the head. Back to the temple.
He's going for it!
Code breaker. Jericho hits another code breaker. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
It's so hard to keep Drew McIntyre down. Ow!
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men. And the ref starts to count. And he finally gets out of the ring. Jericho's got the legs, and now fighting to turn him again. And there it is, back into the walls of Jericho.
Break! What a move by the champ!
In the run, but he keeps the hold locked in.
3, 4!
I can't believe every Jericho.
The champ does it! Oh no! That cut is just pouring now!
Jericho likes to call many of the other WWE superstars. That should do it right there.
1,
2.
2! Watch it!
And now he's back out on the apron.
Looks like he's tagging in his partner. Miz. What a move by the champ!
He anticipated that move perfectly. You think of those battles the Miz went through as he's looking at it again. The skull-crushing finale.
Off the apron and down to the floor.
Ref his feet are on the ropes. Ref, look.
2, 3.
Miz holds on for one more night.